We are in Takachiho in Miyazaki Prefecture, and this is a ryokan called Shinsen. This is the entrance, and so I'm gonna go in. Let's open this up. This is in Miyazaki Prefecture, and Takachiho is known for the gorge, a pretty one called Takachiho Kyo, Kyo meaning gorge, and so there's also a performance, a traditional Japanese performance called Kagura, which is based on a legend that is actually based in the Takachiho area. So if we swing around, this is the property grounds, or part of it, and they have standalone villas on each side. There's only 8 rooms. Our room, they call Manyo. So this is the entrance to our room. So this is in Miyazaki. I'm not sure if I said it. And this ryokan is called Shinsen. So let's go in. It looks like we just checked in, so brought us some tea. So this is the entrance. So as soon as you come in, this is the living room. There's a Western living room, a Japanese living room, and then there's the bedroom over here. And we are being served tea. Ocha to nanda kure? It's very customary to serve some Japanese sweets when you check in. Anyway, so let's keep going. So this is the bedroom. Standard Western style bed. Let's walk here at the end. And the Japanese room. Over to the right is where they store the futon and other necessities, should it be needed. Although again, if there's only 2 people, then you're fine in the Western style bed. Over here is the closet, and down below they have the yukata and things like that. And then out here is another outdoor bathroom. So there's 2 bathrooms. I don't know. I'm not going to bother going in there, but especially because we're already in winter, and I don't know that we would want to be going back and forth in the middle of the night. So let's take a look at the bathroom and bathing facilities. So here's the wash basin. Curiously, they only have a single sink and vanity, which is unusual for a lodging of this caliber. First world problem, I know. This is the bathroom. It just automatically opens up to welcome me, but not now. And then turning around, there's the indoor bath. There's the shower. And then out here is the garden. It's kind of a Japanese style garden with kind of a rock garden. And here's the bath. Let's take a look. This is the niwa, or yard. Looking back inside the living room. Over here is that outdoor bathroom. Here is the garden. So, you're probably wondering about this outdoor open air bath, which is really nice. Flowing water. Unfortunately, this is not a natural hot springs onsen bath. Looks like Takachiho no longer has enough tennen onsen, natural hot springs hot water. So, but they did add some additives of mineral and sulfur, supposedly. But nevertheless, it's cool having a hot tub outside, especially when it's cold outside, like it is right now in mid-December. So, anyways, this is Takachiho Shinsen Ryokan in Miyazaki Prefecture. It borders Kumamoto. It's not far. It's also not far from Aso-san, or Mount Aso, the volcanic area. And so this is looks like it's a promising property to enjoy spending the downtime in. Hope you enjoyed it.